Very good morning to all. Welcome to GARUD Training Defense Academy. So last Sunday NDA Mathematics exams உடைய answers review பண்ண போறோம். So first starts with the question series as D. So the first problem, the Cartesian product of A cross product of A has 16 elements among which are 0, 2 and 1, 3. Which of the following statements is correct or wrong? So we know that A cross A consisting of 6 elements. Therefore, the set consists of 4 elements into 4 elements. So the sets are 0, 2 and 1, 3. So the first options are, it is possible to determine set A. A cross A contains the elements of 3, 2. So definitely the set as consisting of 4 elements is correct answer, and A cross A contains the element of 3, 2. So the elements consisting 3 and 2. So definitely it is placed on 3, 2 of the set A. So the correct answer both 1, 1 and on 2. So next we will go for second one. So second question, let A equal to 1, 2, 3 up to etc. 20. Define the relation from A to A by R which is equal to x, y. The function defined 4x minus 3y which is equal to 1, where x, y belongs to A. Which of the following statements are correct? So first of all, we have to change the function 4x minus 3y which is equal to 1, and you have to interchange consisting of 4x minus 1 which is equal to 3y, and finally 4x minus 1 divided by 3 which is equal to y. So this is a function of y. So substitute 1 by 1 values. So the domain as 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, and the range is 1, 5, 9, 13, 17, and option 3 is the range of R is equal to codomain of R, and so the options only, the range R is 1, 5, 9, 13 and 17. Okay. So next we will go for question number 3. Consider the following: f of x which is equal to x cube, where x belongs to 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2, and 4x 0 less than 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. And one more functions are defined: g of x which is equal to x square, where 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, and 3x is less than or equal 4, 3x is 4 is less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8 is a function. So which of the statements given above is or correct? So the f of x is defined x cube from the values of 0 to 2, and x cube defined from 2 to 8. So we have to substitute each and every value from 0 to 8, and similar to the relation g defined by the functions, similar to substitute the values of limits. So we get the final answer is f of x is function and g of x is not a function. Okay. So next we will move to question number 4. So consider the following: whether the set A equal to A union B union of A difference B, and the second one A union of B difference A which is equal to A union B, and B which is equal to A union B minus of A difference B. So we know that obvious union and difference, so we get B minus A means we get only for B. So this is for B. So A union B which is equal to A union B. The option will be correct. And the next is A union B difference of A difference B means this is we get A, this is A union B minus difference. So you have to difference, we can take only the remainder term as B. So both 2 and 3 will be right answer. Clear? Okay. So next we will go for question number 5. A function satisfies f of x minus y which is equal to f of x divided by f of y, where f of y is not equal to 0. So this is the important condition. F of 1 is 0.5. Then what is the value of f of 2 plus f of 3 plus f of 4 plus f of 5 plus f of 6. So the function is defined as in the type of division form, f of x divided by f of y. Okay. So you have to substitute the value of f of 1 is 0.5. So similarly to substitute f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, f of 6 using of the condition f of x divided by f of y. So we get yes 31 divided by 64. Option D is a correct answer. Clear? Okay. So next question number 6. So what is the value of 2 cot of 1 by 2 into cos inverse of root 5 divided by 3 is equal to? So first of all, you have to change cos inverse of root 5 divided by 3 in terms of cot using some trigonometric function of pi by 2 minus theta. After that you have to find 2 times of cot. So finally we get the value is 3 plus root 5. So option C is a right answer. So next question number 7. Secant inverse of P minus cosecant inverse of Q which is equal to 0, where P greater than 0 and Q greater than 0, always P and Q are positive. Then what is the value of P to the power of minus 2 plus Q to the power of minus 2? So first we have to change the question as P power minus 2 as 1 divided by P square and plus 1 divided by Q square. After that you have to change secant inverse in terms of cos and cosecant inverse in terms of sine. So finally we get the value is 1 divided by sine square theta plus cos square theta. Obviously it is became 1. So the answer will be 1 with option A. Understand? Okay. Next question number 8. So what is 1 plus sine square of cos inverse root 3 divided by root 17 is equal to? So again we have to using some other angle form pi by 2 minus theta. So cos inverse change into sine. Finally 1 plus sine square of sine inverse. So sine inverse and sine get cancelled. So remaining the value is 25 divided by square of the numbers 25 divided by 17. Option B will be right answer. So next question number 9. If tan of pi times of cos theta which is equal to cot of pi times of sin theta, where theta lies between 0 to pi by 2, then what is the value of 8 times of sin square theta plus pi by 4? So from RHS side, cot of pi sin theta, so the cot will be changed over to tan of pi by 2 minus theta. So using the segments we have to change tan in terms of tan. So we get 8 times of sin square theta plus pi by 4 will be the square of the 4, which means square of the number 4, we get 16. So 16 is a final answer. Okay, so next question number 10. If tan alpha which is equal to 1 divided by 7 and sin beta which is equal to 1 divided by root 10 and alpha is greater than 0 and beta is less than pi by 2, then what is the value of cos of 2 alpha plus 2 beta? So this is some basic trigonometric identities using of right angle triangle. So first we know that apply the values. So this is like that theta, so tan alpha, so you can treat as this is tan alpha. So tan alpha is 1 divided by 7, so opposite side value is 1 and adjacent side value is 7. So find hypotenuse. Similar to again one more right angle triangle, the angle is beta, so sin beta, sin is opposite side by hypotenuse. We know that we have to find adjacent side value. So using these values we can expand cos of alpha plus beta in terms of cos of a plus b formula. We know that cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So using this formula we get the answer is 1 divided by root 2. So the option C will be the right answer. So next we will go for question number 11. Let f of x which is equal to x square minus 1 and decomposition f of x is x minus square root of x plus 1. Which one of the following is possible expression of g of x? So this is a composition functions. We know that f composition g of x which is equal to, we can express it as f of g of x. So this is a composition idea. So the given value is f of x is x square minus 1 and the g composition of f of x. So find is g of x only. So the perfect answer is square root of x plus 1 minus 4th square root of x plus 1 will be the correct answer. So option B is right answer. Next question number 12. The same idea, what is g of 15 is equal to? The given function is g of x. To substitute x is 15, so we get the final answer will be the 3. So option C is a right answer. Next, so next question onwards, two problems contains, let a function f be defined on r minus singleton 0 and 2 times of f of x plus f of 1 by x which is equal to x plus 3. So first we have to using the elimination method, f of 1 by x you can take is f of x. After substituting or after using elimination method, so f of 1 by x, f of 1 by x get cancelled. So first we have to find f of x, further to substitute in terms of f of 0.5. So we get the value is 2 divided by 3. Option B will be the right answer. So next we will go for same problem with another type as question number 14. F is differentiable, then what is f dash of 0.5 is equal? So first we already find f of x is some function. We have to differentiate with respect to t. So differentiate with one more time t with respect to differentiate with respect to x. So we get the right answer will be 2. Option C is right answer. So next, consider the following, the next 2 items that follow. F of x can be defined x plus 1, 2, 3, 2x plus 4, 6, 3, 6x plus 9. So this is a given statement in determinant form. First expand the determinant. So it is forming a cubic equation. After that you have to find increasing, decreasing and as well as local maximum, minimum. So we know that the idea of increasing, decreasing, the given function f of x, you have to differentiate this and finding x value and draw a line graph draw a line graph with minus infinity to plus infinity and substitute some x value, whether which interval can be attained as a increasing or decreasing. But the problem is based on decreasing, so the decreasing from minus 28 divided by 3 comma 0 closed interval of. So in the interval the function is decreasing, so option A is right answer. And another one, the function attains local minimum value. So the condition for local, so the function attains local value. First we can take f of x, after that to find f dash of x, and using f dash of x equal to 0 finding x value, and furtherly to find f double dash of x, whether f double dash of x is greater than 0, the function is minimum, which means positive means the function is minimum. At what point the function attains minimum means x equal to 0, the function is minimum. So option C will be the right answer. So next, question number 17. So given that 4x square plus y square which is equal to 9, what is the maximum value of y? And another question, what is the maximum value of xy? So first, so this is formed as a general form of ellipse. So we have to change x square in terms of the general equation of ellipse is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square which is equal to 1. So using the general equation of ellipse, you have to change the general form. We have to find maximum value of y. So maximum value of y is 3. Option B will be the right answer. And what is the maximum value of xy? It is combination. So that is option again B. The value is 3 divided by 2. Clear? So next, question number 19. The function is defined by f of x which is equal to pi plus sine square x. What is the range of the function? So what is the range of the function means you have to substitute. So sine is with the range of minus 1 to plus 1. So using the segment, the right interval as a closed interval of pi comma pi plus 1 will be the range of a given function pi plus sine square x. So same problem. So the next thing is, what is the period of the function? So you are using the combination of pi plus sine square x is general type of period is 2 pi. 2 pi is a general period, 2 pi divided by modulus of b is general periodic function, but given function as pi plus sine square x, so the corresponding period of the function is pi. So option B will be the right answer. So next we will move for question number 21. So this is the integration. Consider the following for the next two items that follow. Let I which is equal to minus 2 pi to 2 pi plus 2 pi sine power 4x plus cos power 4x divided by 1 plus 3 power x into dx. So the problem, first one is find or what is 0 to pi sine power 4x plus cos power 4x into dx is equal to 0. So whether we have to solve this problem some using integral properties. So using some integral properties, sine power 4x to change as cos, in otherwise cos power 4 is changed as sine. So we get the integral value is 3 pi by 4 with the limits from 0 to pi. So option B will be the right answer. And Next, what is I equal to? So the value of I equal to, so this is again using of properties from odd function to even function. The properties is integral of minus a to plus a f of x dx, which is equal to 2 times of integral 0 to a f of x dx. Using the basic properties of integral, so we get the integral value I, which is equal to 0. So option A will be the, so using the integral I, which is equal to 3 pi by 2, option C will be the right answer. Okay. So next, question number 23. Let f of x, which is equal to ax into x plus 1 plus b. Condition is x is less than 1 and x minus 1 if 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. So the second function contains from 1 and 2. The first function is less than 1. Okay. So if the function f of x is differentiable at x equal to 1, then what is the value of a plus b? So using the continuity, the concept of continuity, we have to find, which means differentiable at x equal to 1. So we have to apply the limits. So we get the value of a plus b is minus 1 by 3. Option A will be the right answer. Okay. Next, limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to. So the given function is limit x tends to 0. Up x tends to 0 means the corresponding is x less than 1. So you have to take ax into x plus 1 plus b. So using the limits, the final answer is minus 2 divided by 3. Okay. Next question number 25. If f of x, which is equal to modulus of ln of modulus of x. So this is modulus of ln of modulus x, where 0 less than x less than 1, then what is f dash of 0.5 is equal to. So this is modulus function. Modulus function. So f of x, which is equal to, f of x, which is equal to some modulus function. Modulus function can be defined plus x minus x, where x is greater than 0 and x is less than 0 with the condition. You can take x greater than or equal to 0. So this is modulus of log of modulus x. So we can apply the twice times of modulus idea. Then we have to differentiate f dash of x and substitute x is 0.5. Then the value of f dash of 0.5 is minus 2. Option A will be the right answer. Next, 26. If f dash of x, which is equal to cos of ln x, and y, which is equal to f of 2x minus 3 divided by x, then what is dy by dx is equal to. So the idea is f of x, which is equal to is y. So f of x and as well as y, both are the functions type. So the given segment is f dash of x, which is equal to cos of ln x, and y can be defined f of 2x minus 3 divided by x. But this is, we have to change in f of x, so you have to integrate one more time. After that we get f of x. That f of x will be substituted as the given function y, which is equal to. So the final answer, which means dy by dx is equal to Option C, 3 divided by x square cos of ln of 2x minus 3 divided by x. So this is the right answer. So next question number 27. What is integral of 0 to 8 pi modulus of sin x into dx is equal to? So this is part of integration. So using the properties of from integral of 0 to 2a f of x dx, which is equal to from 0 to a multiply by 2 into f of x dx. So using these properties, this is we can split 0 to pi with 8 times of sin x, which means f of x dx. So using these properties, we have to integrate from the limit of 0 to pi, we get the value is 16. So option D is this correct answer. So next 28. What is area between the curve f of x, which is equal to x into modulus of x and x axis for x belongs to -1 to +1. So find the area between the curve. So this is using of integration and revolving about x axis. So with the limit from -1 to +1, -1 to +1, the function f of x dx. So the function is x into modulus of x. So we get option A 2/3 will be the right answer. So next question number 29 is direct problem. What are the order and degree respectively of the differential equation x square into d cube y divided by dx cube the whole square plus dy by dx the whole power 4 plus sin x, which is equal to 0. So find order and degree. So the order and degree of differential equation, highest type of derivative. So highest type of derivative is d cube y divided by dx cube with whole square. This is the highest order, and we know that this is a proper polynomial form. So the 3 is order, and order to the integral power is called degree. Upper 2 is its degree. Upper therefore the order is 3 and the degree is 2. Option D is right answer. Next question number 30. What is a differential equation of all parabolas of the type y square, which is equal to 4a into x minus b? So this is the general type of parabola y square, which is equal to 4ax. This is at open rightward type. What is the differential equation? So using y square, which is equal to 4a into x minus 5, we have to differentiate and one more time, which means second order. So differentiate one more time. So we get option D, y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square, which is equal to 0. Option D is a right answer. Okay va? Next 31 பார்க்கலாங்களா? Okay. So this is based on a complex numbers. If z bar, which is equal to modulus of z plus z bar, where z equal to x plus iy, and obvious the imaginary part value is -1, then the locus of z is pair of whether straight lines or rectangular, hyperbolas or parabolas or circles. Suppose that x is a complex number, is x plus iy, means its conjugate, which means x z bar. So this is we get x minus iy. So using the conditions, so the consisting of locus is nothing but the equation of z contains circle corresponding shape is circles. So option D is right answer. Next, question number 32. So this is concept of combination. 1 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 5 factorial plus 7 factorial up to etc. plus 199 factorial is divided by 24. So we know that the given factorial form is consisting of odd terms 1, 3, 5, 7. So using the odd terms of factorial formula, which is directly divisible by 24, the remainder is 7. Option C is right answer. Next, what is the value of question number 33? What is the value of square root of 12 plus 5i plus square root of 12 minus 5i, where I which is equal to square root of minus 1. So this is addition of complex numbers. So substitute the I value is square root of minus 1. Okay, and we have to square of the numbers, square of the entire terms using a plus b whole square formula. So we get the final term of the value is 5 root 2. Option C will be the right answer. Next, question number 34. If A of a column based matrix 1, 2, 3, then what is the value of determinant of I plus A dash, where I is the identity matrix. So A which is equal to column based matrix means this is contains 3 rows and 1 column. The problem is determinant of I. We know that I is the unit matrix, so which the order of 3 cross 3. So this is from 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So this is the identity matrix, and plus A into A dash, which means transpose of the matrix. So column matrix change over to row. So finally we get the value is 15. So option A will be the right answer. Next, question number 35. If A, B and C are square matrices of order 3, so order 3 means 3 cross 3, and determinant of BC is 2 times of determinant of A, then what is the value of determinant of 2 times of A inverse into BC? So the given statement A, B, C are square matrices with order 3, which means 3 cross 3. Both A, B, C are square matrices, and one more condition is determinant of BC which is equal to 2 times of determinant of A. Then find 2 times of A inverse. Suppose A is square matrix means its inverse, A inverse is also a square matrix, obvious. So then the value of determinant is option B, 8 will be the right answer. Okay va, next பார்க்கலாங்களா? So question number 36. If the nth term of a sequence, so this is the idea of a sequence and series. If the nth term of sequence is 2n plus 5 divided by 7, then what is the sum of its first 140 terms? So nth term of the sequence we can treat as Tn, which is equal to 2n plus 5 divided by 7. Then what is the sum of? So sum means we have to find Sn. Okay, so using the formula of Sn, which is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, which the answer is 2920. Option C will be the right answer. Question number 37. So this is again matrix and determinant concept. Let A be a skew symmetric matrix of order 3, which means 3 rows 3 columns. Then what is the value of determinant of 4 times of a to the power of 4 minus determinant of 3 times of a to the power of 3 plus determinant of 2 times of a to the power of 2 minus determinant of a plus determinant of the unit matrix is minus I, where I is identity matrix or unit matrix. அது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். So skew symmetric matrices. So the condition is 1 divided by 2 A minus A transpose. This is the condition for a skew symmetric. So using the segment determinant of 4 into a power 4 and 3 into a power 3 plus 2 into a power 2 and the final determinant of a, you have to change additional alternate sign minus plus. We get the value is minus 1. Minus 1 will be the right answer. So next, question number 38. If A, which is equal to matrix of 0 3 4 minus 3 0 5 minus 4 minus 5 0, then which one of the following statement is correct? So the options are: A square is symmetric matrix, determinant of A square equal to 0. A square is symmetric matrix when determinant of A square is not equal to 0. A square is skew symmetric, similar idea, determinant of A square which is equal to 0, and A square is skew symmetric. So this is a condition for only symmetric and skew symmetric. So symmetric and skew symmetric is 1 by 2 times of A plus A transpose, and skew symmetric is 1 by 2 times of A minus A transpose. So using the condition, the given matrix form, in that first we have to find A square, A into A, and further to find its determinant value, whether we can check whether equal to 0. So option A will be the right answer. A square is symmetric matrix. Question number 39. If matrix A, which is equal to 2 0 0 0 3 0 and 0 0 4, only the diagonal values are existing. The diagonal value is 2 3 4. Which one of the following statements are correct? So the first one is an. An means a to the power of n will always a singular matrix for any positive integer, and a to the power of n is always a diagonal matrix for any positive integer. And option 3, a to the power of n is always a symmetric matrix with any positive integer. So obvious, this is the diagonals form, because the given matrix is diagonal form. You have to take n times of this matrix, means definitely it is diagonal form only. So option 2 is right answer. And one more time, symmetric. So this is diagonal, we have to change its transpose. Definitely it is similar to the given matrix A. Definitely the condition symmetric matrix will be the satisfied. So option B, which means 2 and 3 will be the right answer. So next question number 40. So this is based on harmonic progression, HP. If A plus B is first term and 2B is second term and B plus C as third term, or in HP, then which one of the following is correct? The options are A, B, C, or in AP, A minus B, B minus C, C minus A in again AP, and A, B and C are in GP, and the final one is A minus B, B minus C, C minus E are in GP. The condition for HP is the reciprocal of arithmetic progression, but given condition is A plus B, 2B, B plus C. So definitely it is not satisfied about arithmetic progression. So this is only satisfied about geometric progression. But definitely the element of A, B, C are in GP. So option C will be the right answer. So next, question number 41. So consider the equation 1 minus x to the power of 4 plus 5 minus x to the power of 4, which is equal to, the value is 82. What is the number of real roots of the equation? Real roots of the equation. So first expand this 1 minus x the whole power 4 using algebraic identity, and 5 minus x similar to algebraic identity. We have to factorize. We get the number of real roots as 4 real roots contains this equation. And the second question, which means question number 42, based on similar one, what is the sum of all the roots of the equation? So what is the sum of all the roots of equation means this is the fourth root of equation. So we get the solution is 4. How many sum of all the roots? So sum of all the roots means the entire function roots. So it is countable. The 12 will be the right answer. Question number 43. So this is the concept of complex numbers, omega. So the problem is, consider the equation z cube plus 2 times of z square plus 2z plus 1, which is equal to 0, and the equation 2 contains z to the power of 1985 plus z to the power of 100 plus 1, which is equal to 0. The question is, what are the roots of the equation 1? What are the roots of the equation? So we know that the complex number in terms of x plus iy form, in other words a plus ib form. Okay, and this is the cube root of equation. So z3 is cube root of equation. The cube root of equation consisting of 3 roots of complex numbers, like that 1 omega square, with the condition 1 plus omega square is 0 and omega cube is 1. So using the condition, the roots of the equation is minus 1 omega square. So option B will be the right answer. Next pathina, question number 44. So based on same, which one of the following is root of equation number 2? So the equation number 2, z to the power of 1985 plus z to the power of 100 plus 1, which is equal to 0. You can short out z to the power of 9985. So everything which is divisible by 4, we get the remainder. So that is the root of equation. So finally we have to short out. The omega will be the right answer. Option D will be the right answer. Seringla. Next pathina, question number 45. Similar. What is the number of common roots of the equation 1 and equation 2? Common roots. So the given form is cubic equation. So cubic equation consisting of 3 roots, and the second equation again some other orders. So finally we have to number of common roots means equation number 1 and equation number 2 ku common existing as 2 roots as common roots. So option C will be the right answer.